Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the Smart Card Reader Board ZIF connector and disconnect the Smart Card Reader Board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the Smart Card Reader Board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the touchpad button board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad button board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad button board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad button board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad button board.